What's up, guys? Welcome to Exploring the Holos. This is just an update on my situation. I just kind of want to explain why I still read and post quotes from Mike Hockney if I claim to be Hyperion. I believe that the Illuminist material has a lot of information that's important. And I believe that even if there's some negative stuff in there, that I can separate the useful information from the negative stuff, the stuff that might be bigoted or whatever. I see that when I post quotes from Mike Hockney, some people are triggered by that, and they just want to say F Mike Hockney. But you can't go through your life never listening to those that you disagree with. It's been a policy in my life to give those that I disagree with a chance to speak, to listen to what their ideas are. I know that I'm not right all the time, and in order for me to learn and become a better person, I need to listen to others' ideas, and I think that everybody should do that. It's a bad policy if you just shut people down, cancel people if you don't like what they're saying. If we want to have freedom of speech, we need to give everybody a chance to speak and listen to their ideas. As long as there's no violence, as long as people are being respectful, there's no reason why we shouldn't do that. And I think it's very important. And I'm going to continue to read the PI works, at least all the ones before last summer. Anything having to do with, if they're going to write a whole book having to do with hating on a certain group of people, I'm not interested in that. I don't have time for that. The earlier works definitely piqued my interest, and I'd like to learn more about that. And I'm going to remain Hyperion because I believe in Hyperionism and what it stands for. And naysayers can say it's going nowhere, but I see the opposite. It's going to go as far as we push it. And just like any other movement, it doesn't happen overnight. It doesn't happen over 5 years. It doesn't happen over 10 years. If you see some movement in 20 years, that's progress. But, you look at any other movement, and it's always slow. The more important a movement is, the slower it is. This is all about waking up the world. It's a war of the mind. It's about changing thought. You're never going to change law unless you change thought first. So, I'm staying where I'm at. And I'm going to read whatever I want. I'm going to post whatever I want, as long as it's well within the YouTube, Facebook, Instagram guidelines. And people don't like it, they can say F you, whatever. I'm not going to block anybody. And I hope people subscribe and share. I will be uploading more traveling content when the weather gets better. I booked a vacation already. We bought upgraded, better camper. So I look forward to using that and sharing that with you guys. And I'm going to keep these videos a little bit shorter. I do intend on having more repair videos. I have things I need to fix. I'm waiting on parts. So, ad astra, my friends, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.
Mother's in here with us, Harris. Would you like to leave a message? I'll be sure that she gets it.
Yes, Mom, will you get out of there, please? You're no fun! I'm working!
See you later, Mrs. Harris.